What is up, guys? Welcome back to the video, and if you haven't done so already, guys, do yourself a freaking favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, check out my channel, guys. I post day trading, stock, swing trading, cryptocurrency. You already know what it is, but real quick, today we're going to be talking about Robinhood, guys. Many of you guys probably are new and you use Robinhood. I've been using Robinhood since probably like 5 years right now, and as you see right here, I withdrew all my money today. I had a challenge where I'm going to learn options, get better at options, and I wanted to double my account, and I actually did end up tripling the account. If you watch my last two videos on BYND alone, guys, I've been using this for about 3 months and I have tripled my money. And then I have switched, as right here, the news of TD Ameritrade. Perfect timing too, because I don't really like Robinhood. So as you see, TD Ameritrade announces $0 commissions for their stocks, EFTs, mutual fund, and then options are zero price and only 65 cents per contract, which is extremely low. And on top of that, guys, let's go right here. As you see, TD Ameritrade owns Thinkorswim, which is by far the best charting software out there in my opinion, guys. These are a couple of my trades. I've been shorting BYND since 7:30, so I've literally been trading it since right here. And as you see right here, this red, I've been just shorting it and buying puts all in all. And even this last week, guys, I've been killing it. As you see right here, all these are lines of support that will turn into resistance. Over here, we've seen it did crack below it, and then it started as a nice bounce. But then again, guys, it fell back again. When normally the stock has been doing every it opens and it falls, opens and it falls, opens and it falls. So I think it's gonna happen today at 78. We're gonna have a dip down to 75. I'm predicting right now 75 right here. It's going to get down in here and maybe just crash even more. I'm still going to get puts on this, guys. I have been buying puts religiously. And then, guys, SQ other way around. I think it will go long and it could fill the gap right here potentially. Has to break off and go past this. Again, guys, really good a bullish strength. Right here could be the bottom, maybe sign of a reversal. It is building higher lows, so I think this could continue. All I have to do is just break in here, maybe consolidate a little bit, maybe ascending triangle bull flag pattern right here, and then definitely fill the gap above. That is possible. But for right now, guys, BYND still looking to buy potential puts, and I just been killing it on this stock. As you see, low of 73. I do think we can get to 75 tomorrow. Definitely possible. Maybe fade or maybe a pop and fade. Definitely is. But again, guys, just a real quick video. Let me go over here. I have been using Robinhood, over 300% return on my account. I just want to learn options. I have a TradeZero account. That's my ideal broker for trading with leverage, trading stocks, shorting stocks, the best short list possible. I was a little sketchy about depositing money. I deposited thousands of dollars, doubled my money, withdrew it. It's legit, guys. By far, you do pay a little bit fees for shorts, but it's comes with the game. You got to pay fees to short stocks that are hard to short. And again, guys, TD perfect timing recently. There have been free commissions and 65 cents per contract. As you see, Beyond Meat last 3 months, guys, it's just been opening and falling. Even if it does have a little pop, it just gives away all returns. Pop, fade, open, fade, pop, open, pop, fade. You see what I'm saying? It's definitely. Everyone's saying this could be a reversal. Maybe, guys, best to risk with trading. And I do not think so. I think this will be a pop and then it will fade. This is my personal opinion, not investment advice, only entertainment and educational purposes only, guys. Again, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Just a real quick video today, just just really quick. I don't have a lot of time. People ask me how come I don't post videos in 2 weeks, guys. As I said later, I'm finishing up my bachelor's degree, guys. School got in the way, midterms got in the way. I'm not gonna lie, Call of Duty got in the way. I've been going hard at that game. I'm a beast. But again, guys, please be sure to check out this channel. I do post daily videos, cryptocurrencies, investing, day trading, swing trading, options. Thank you so much, guys. Peace.